Hello and welcome to the Manifestors Circle. Today's topic is near and dear to many of our hearts. How to manifest your soulmate this month. By the end of this video, you'll learn a powerful manifestation exercise that will help you manifest anything or anyone you desire. First, let's talk about why it can be so hard to manifest someone or something. When we're so focused on trying to make something happen, it can actually push it further away. It's like trying to catch a butterfly. The more you chase it, the more it flutters away. But what if I told you that manifesting your soulmate doesn't have to be so complicated? It's all about letting go of the need for them and allowing them to enter your life naturally. When you let go of the need to control the outcome, you open yourself up to the universe to bring you exactly what you're looking for. The idea that chasing something can push it away is rooted in the principle of attraction and the law of attraction. The law of attraction states that we attract into our lives whatever we focus on, whether it's positive or negative. When we focus on something too much, we can become obsessed with it and inadvertently push it away. When we chase after something, we send out a vibe of neediness and desperation, which can be repelling to the very thing we are trying to manifest. It can also create an impression that we lack the self-worth and self-esteem to believe that we can manifest it on our own. So, how do we avoid doing this? One of the most powerful tools for manifesting your soulmate is setting a receiving date. Decide on a date when you want to receive this person into your life, and then honestly believe, deep down, that you will receive them by that date. Belief is key here. The more you believe you will receive your soulmate by your chosen date, the more likely it will happen. It's like planting a seed and then nurturing it until it blooms. It's not just about setting a date, but about taking action. Start putting yourself in places where you're likely to meet your soulmate. Make sure you're ready for them. Do things that make you happy and feel good about yourself. Here's an exercise you can try to help you visualize and manifest your soulmate. First, find a quiet and comfortable place where you won't be disturbed. Then, sit or lie down and close your eyes. Next, take a few deep breaths and allow yourself to relax. Imagine a bright white light surrounding you and filling you with a feeling of peace and calm. To visualize your soulmate, imagine them in detail. What do they look like? What kind of person are they? What are their interests and hobbies? As you visualize your soulmate, imagine the two of you together. What are you doing? Where are you? What are you talking about? Allow yourself to fully immerse in this visualization and make it as real as possible. After that, focus on the feeling you get from being with them. For example, how does it feel to be in their presence? Then, allow yourself to fully embrace and feel this positive feeling. When you're done, take a deep breath and open your eyes. Write down your visualization and the feeling you had. Repeat this exercise daily, and as you do, you will start to believe in the manifestation of your soulmate. As an extra step, you can also create a vision board or a collage of pictures and images that represent the person you want to manifest, and put it where you can see it often. This will help you keep your manifestation at the forefront of your mind and increase the chances of it coming to fruition. Remember, the key to manifesting your soulmate is believing that they are out there and will come into your life at the right time. So keep a positive attitude and be open to new possibilities and trust in the universe. Thank you for tuning in. Subscribe for more daily lessons on manifestation and the law of attraction from the Manifestors Circle.